Wipe the table with 75% alcohol or disinfectant. Wash your hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer. And dry your hands. The kit consists of the quality certificate, package leaflet, sterilized swabs, extraction reagent tubes pre-filled with test buffer, tube holder, test card and waste bag. Read the package leaflet carefully. All instructions must be followed carefully. Take out the extraction tube, pre-filled with extraction reagent. Tear the sealing foil of the tube and place it on the tube holder. Remove the swab from its wrapper, using the sterile swab provided in the kit. Carefully insert the swab into one nostril of the person. The swab tip should be inserted up to nostril about 2.5 centimeters until resistance is met. Rub the swab around the inside wall of each nostril at least 5 times. Take approximately 15 seconds to collect the sample. This is done with the same swab in the other nostril. Put the swab sample into the extraction tube with extraction reagent. Rotate the swab for about 10 seconds. Press the swab head against the tube wall several times. Release the antigen in the swab as much as possible. Squeeze liquid from the swab as much as possible when it is withdrawn from the tube. Install the beater on the extraction tube. Take out the test card. Drop 80 microliter, about 3 drops, into the sample well of the test card. Set the timer for 15 minutes. And start the timer. Result should be read at 15 to 20 minutes. The presence of 2 lines as control line C and test line T within the result window indicates a positive result. The negative result shall be: 1 color line appears in the control region C. No apparent red or pink line appears in the test region T. If the control line C is not visible within the result window after performing the test, the result is considered invalid. After the test, seal the kit content into the waste bag tightly. Dispose of them as household waste in normal trash to comply with local regulation.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.